All right, so welcome to our little Zoom session. Welcome to the session. We're going to work a lot on ball handling. So if you have your footwork mat, that's great. If you don't, just use an area. Now, we've got some cones, and of course, you can use a drink bottle, detergent bottle, or anything you've got. So the setup we want to try and do is have the mat, and then have the cone in a triangle shape. So one approximately 30-40 centimetres away from the front of the mat, and then another two about a metre, metre and a half apart, so you make a triangle shape. So you can probably see there's one here, walk on through the triangle, one here, one at the top, and one down here. So these represent defenders. So you'll make your move on the mat, then you'll go past the top. So Zach, you can go past the top cone, make a move, and then pass one to the side. Just go to the left side for me, please. That's your second defender. If you have a ring, you could finish with a layup or a jump shot. If not, just go past the cones and just pull up, take a couple of dribbles, and come back to the start. So that's our workout. All right, the first move we're going to do, we're going to punch the ball, and we're going to do a side jab. We're going to make sure we shimmy a bit, so it's the opposite foot to hand. So exactly, if you can go right, you're going to left-hand dribble point. Okay, so right foot's going to jab out to the side as if you were going to, my fault, go that way on your move. Shake those shoulders, jab. Do another one on the left-hand side. Go slight, so jab it, really shake those shoulders. Good, we're using those two cones on the bottom of the triangle to turn the corner, get a nice angle on the layup or the finish. Yep, let's go, Zach. We'll do two more slow. Excellent. Do one on the other side. Great. All right, so if you haven't done this, let's do this now. We'll go 10 reps and in your own time. Let's go, Zach. Jab it. Nice. If you've got your footwork mat or your spacing, it's the middle circle, have your feet on the side, jab outside the mat, nice. Really punch that ball firmly into the ground. Get a bit of distance on that first dribble as well. Push off your back foot. So the jab push, yep. There we go. Really accelerate. Nice and high for the finish. Excellent, Zach. Nice. Let me know when you got 10, something like that. You got it? 5? Yeah. I reckon that's 6. 6. There you go. Try another 4. Punch it. Here we go. Now, if you do have a ring, and Zach, once you do your jab, I reckon after that first dribble, get your eyes on the target early. Now, eyes up. There you go. You can use your peripheral vision to see the cones that form the bottom part of your triangle. Here you go. Punch, side jab, eyes down. Excellent. Let me know when you're on 10. We'll add the next one. That's 10. Well, one to go. Okay. Here you go. Punch, jab, side jab. There you go. Nice. Good. Now, you can use a tennis ball. We're going to use a med ball. We've practiced with the tennis ball. A little bit too challenging for me. So I'm going to give Zach a go with this. Here you go. Grab this. You use tennis ball, not a problem. We're going to side jab. So as you side jab, same foot. Throw the ball up and catch it. Or you can bounce it and then catch it. So now we're trying to coordinate doing a couple of things at once. You've got to catch it in the same hand. Yeah. Good. Do you want to go back to tennis ball? Or do you want to stay with that? Tennis, okay. I'm giving you the harder one. My fault. Here we go. Try that. So side jab now. Side jab. Yep. Bounce it. Jab hard. Good. Right, so you've got to get 10 of these. Here we go. We're on 3 for Zach. Bounce it higher so that it goes above your head and starts to come down and catch it hand under. Good. Excellent. That's almost. try now. The hard thing is you've got to bounce it so it goes straight up and down. These are great skills you can practice. Getting one side of your body to do something different from your other side, and not only using both feet, but using another part of your body, coordinating everything. Okay. Give me 1 sec. Let's have a look at the technical side here. No, we're good. Okay. All right. All right. Other side. Let's go. So. You got a chance? There you go. Right. Try and catch your hand. So bounce it, try and catch with your hand on the leg. So try it hard, jab, take your time. That's better. Here we go. Release 10. All right, fantastic. Next in this series, after we jab to the side, we're going to slide across. So as we jab here, now we're going to slide as well and then attack. So same hand as the ball. So if you jab with your right, slide across your left, and score. Good. Excellent. So let's have another. Let's go slow on this side. So jab to the side, slide to the right, so slide across and then score. Yeah. So like a defensive slide, you're going to push as you push this. So you jump across with your right, come back, and then push with your right to your left lateral. Slide and then attack. So it's a little hesitation move in sliding about for me to get a bit more space. All right. So let's do 6 of these and we'll change hands. So we'll start from now. Off the overrun. Punch, jab, slide. Good. Good feet. Get those hips nice and light. Good. Just want you pushing a bit more to the side, Zach. So after you're here, if you're here on this, then slide across and then attack. Almost there. Just that touch. How many you got on this side? Okay, let's do it now. Let's just pull up past the cone. So imagine we don't have ring. Let's just pull up. Go back to the start and reset again for people who haven't got access to it. Yeah, same thing. We just pull up past the cone and then come back to the same. There you go. Good. Other side now. You can alternate sides now. Alternate sides. Good. Past the cone. Then go past the cone and then make a move at the cone and come back. Okay. As you go through here, stop, back through, back top. We really created this slide. Good, excellent. Slide, good control. Notice Zach's got really good hesitation. Got good control of the ball, the hands on the top, the sides. Fingers really well spread, feet are good, balance is good. Ball's low, so really good. Feels uncomfortable, just go slow. Make sure our feet are wide, hips are down. Push up our toes. Excellent, good cross. Really good. All right, how many you got that? Probably 6. Give me 2 more, then we'll move on. So just 1 more. Okay, now we'll go through to a hip swivel. So we've done this move before with the defenders on you. Yeah, from here, and just turn your hips. and you're in that position. So from front on to side on, still looking in the same direction. Now you've got a bit of space with your front foot. So hip swivel, the hip is exactly hip swivel. Actually face this way, and they're going to swivel. Don't face, yep, if you face the screen, and then just hip swivel. Perfect. And then keep looking over that shoulder. So we've got 10 on each side, boys. So 10 to the right, then come back to the reset. If you have your mat, you can use the gold disc or the center disc with right. Put the toe on at the front and take your other toe off at the back of the mat. Yep, so hip swivel the other side, left hand. Good. You can look at your joint up high. Good, good feet. So it's really a quick foot replacement. We're turning 90 degrees to the side. What we do is probably have the other arm back as protection, ain't you? Yeah, we're looking almost like a bar arm looking over that arm. All right, so there's our 10. Now let's get a score on this. So as we go with our right, so as we hit here, here. Now we're going to throw the ball down and attack the ring. Here goes that. Excellent. Great job. All right, so we've got 7 of these. Off you go. Pretty straightforward. Hip swivels.
7 on each side.
I'll tell you what, let's do, what do you find to alternating side? Yeah. Okay, so let's do maybe a total of 10. So we'll start now, we'll go one on the right, so hip swivel. Throw down on the right. And when you're good with that, the hip swivel with the left hand, throw down on the left. Other side. Left hand drill. The left foot back, throw down, and get the finish. Good. I just want you to make sure you keep looking at the rim or at the defender, so keep vision this direction from you. Good, good. You're just turning your head back a little bit. You want to keep an eye on your defender and what your defender is. You probably do it more when you go to the right. So probably keep your feet in the same position. So exactly here. So looking in here rather than there. That's it. Get a good look at the defender is. Got the finish. Excellent. So guys, we're alternating this until we get a total of 10. And probably haven't seen Zach's footwork as a finish, but he's finishing off 1 foot, he's finishing off 2 feet. He's varying it a bit. It's a stride style, but it's a jump style, it's a power wave, it's a left hand, right hand. He just mix up, be a bit creative with the finish. Shake those shoulders and hips when you make the move. They're all loosen up. Hey, be there. Well done. When we know you're on 10, we'll move on to the next. No, 1 to go, everyone. Good work. All right, so as you're finishing off that move, we're now going to get into the hip swivel, and you're going to throw cross. So without a ball, just throw your ball. Okay. So imagine you're doing a right hand hip swivel. So right foot's back, left foot's forward. Good. Now, with the right hand, you're going to throw the ball across and step across and attack the ring. So we'll do you one more without a ball. You're really going to throw cross. As you throw it, you cross the ball over and you cross with your foot. There you go. Let's have a look at that. Good. You want to get as far as you can on that first push. You're trying to get past the defender, which is that cone. Right. What we want to do, like that. Here we go. Actually, I'll give you 2 cones. We'll do it this way. If you did have 4 cones or 4 drink bottles, maybe you can manipulate the cones a bit. So you've got, we've got 1 here for the left, 1 here for the right. So when we cross step, we're really getting past that cone. So here's the 4th we can use. Off you go. Good. So again, we'll go 10. So when you're ready to start, we'll start it off. Start from now, Zach. Keep changing sides. This one, go across. Remember, after the hip swivel with the left hand, after you hit, then you'll throw it. So it's a long step forward. Long step. Yep. just want you to tie back and forth. Do the stack, you're doing that, and then I'll do that. As you do that, it's just as a ball pass, you're pushing in the second way. That's good. Well done. So we're making sure that we step almost the same time as we throw, get past that defender. Step this way. It's okay, take your time. Go the other side. I want you to try it without the ball and we work on the footwork. Now, freeze, go back to where you were. And this might be a common thing for you. So let's break this down. So let's do our hip swivel. Good. Now, we're going to throw cross. So your right hand's going to finish almost to the point of that cone. And your right foot, yeah. So what you've got to be able to do is pivot off your left. So let's do that again. Go back. Yep. So hip swivel now. Lift your left heel. Now, big step, massive long step, and pivot. That's it. And what you can do to help with the pivot is you can cheat a bit. So here's our hip swivel. Now, before you even start to go, turn the heel of your toe towards the wall. There you go. Now cross step. Bang. So hopefully you can see that with the footwork. That's going to give you even more of an advantage. We'll finish off another 4. Turn. That's it. 3 to go. And again, if you haven't got a ring or a backboard, just go past the bottom cones in the triangles, take a couple of moves, and dribble back in. So hip swivel, throw cross. Hip swivel creates a bit of space. The defender jumps at the ball, not you, so you cross the ball past them and attack. Yeah. That's our series there. That's 10 for you. Okay. All right, so now we're going to work on some V drills. All right, so I'll get back to the tennis. Grab that. So the challenge now for us is to V drill. So punch a ball, V drill, catch it. Punch it. Catch it. Again, you want to punch it to the ground and come straight back up if you can. Harder than it looks. So try and throw it. Pass in the basketball. Yes. Yeah, come on, let's go. Pass in the basket. Yeah, come on. Yeah. All right. All I want you to do is throw the tennis ball. So it comes straight back up again. Catch it. Go. Go. Yep, right in front of your toe. Aha. Catch it left. Let's go. Try it again. Bounce it hard. So look where you're bouncing it. Come straight back up without leading. Yep. Yep. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Good. Here you go. Go. That's it. So you can do it without going up. Just go straight up there. You'll. There you go. That's going to help you. Now, pretend you're doing it, so bounce it, use your left hand, so smash it, left hand V dribble. Smash it, left hand V dribble. All right, there you go. So it's hard with tennis balls. You know, using a small ball is really hard. So if you need to break down the activity, do it. That's a V dribble. So Jack, hold the ball. Smash it, V dribble, catch. Smash it, V dribble, catch. If it's easier, instead of smashing into the ground, just toss it up and catch it. Well, nice, that's pretty good. We've got 10 of these and then we'll switch hands. So if you make a mistake, it's not a problem. Just give you your best shot. And we've got 10 from now. Here you go, there's 1. 2, now I want your big drill to go. Here's a challenging thing. See the silver discs? I want it to almost go one to the other. As you throw it, catch. Throw it, it's easier, catch. Okay, here we go. Have we got 7 to go? Okay. And if it's easy for you, you can just throw the med ball. So I've got plan B. If you just want, you can just and throw it. It's easy. That's good. That's it. So modify what we're doing to make it a bit easier. If it's too difficult, just get rid of the tennis ball. Also, being a right-hander, this is going to be harder for him to catch right and coordinate the left-hand V dribble. But he's improving. Look at this. Good, man. Really good. You've got 10 with change.
Hard to catch.
It is. There we go. You ready to change sides?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a go. So this might be easier. It's right hand. Here we go. Right hand finger. This might not be so early. Next down. It's easy. I can do this. But try. Try with this side. Yeah, sure. This stuff is hard. Then dribble, catch. 3 more, and we'll get rid of that ball. All right. Okay, 1 more. We're just going to do V dribbles without the ball, without the med ball, or the tennis ball. To give you your best. What do you got? 10 V dribbles, right hand. There's 1. So, my fault. I need to punch it, V dribble. Punch it, V dribble. Punch it. We've got 10 left. Go. Punch it. Punch it. Now, once you look at those silver discs, the ball's got to go outside one silver. Yeah, got to bounce on the silver. That's it. We go as wide as we can. Good. Punch, V dribble. You've got 10 will change. So everyone at home, we're just doing 10 to finish off without tennis ball. We'll change hands.
Yeah.
10, let's go. Left hand, here we go. So try and punch the ball in the goal. Punch the ball almost in the goal, but make it as wide as the silver. So you want to catch it at the silver. That's it. Good, nice and wide. Good wider. Try and get lower in stance. Heels on the ground. Hard. That's it. Well done. Ready? V dribble. Right hand, touch your cone with your left hand. Go. Punch, V dribble, touch. So, change hands now. Go other hand. So, V dribble, and while you're V dribbling, touch your cone. So, V dribble, back, touch, crossover, change hands. We're going to add our V dribble and touch your cone with the other hand. V dribble, touch. Cross, V dribble, touch. Now, if you back, I want you to get a bit lower in stance. That's it. Feel it. That's it. Nice and wide. Touch. And make sure you maintain width on the V dribble. So here's our extension. V dribble with the right hand, touch your cone with the left. Reset it. V dribble left hand, touch your cone with your right. If we can, we want to be sitting down almost like in a squat. All right, it's nothing. Let's go to the next one, which is punch and cross. So we don't need this for now. Get rid of that. Keep pushing it. Okay, all right. Everyone grab yourself a drink, then we'll come back. A quick break. Next one's going to be a punch and cross. Cross. Done this before, pretty easy. And if you have a cone, you can touch. What are you doing? Pretty straightforward. But we'll wait till the good demonstrator comes back. That'll be our next series. Well, if some of you are still waiting, can you hear? Let's go some broad. So here we go. In front, back, front, back, front, back. Here we go. It's a 10. 1, 2, 3. So do 10 of those. I'm good. Once you've done 10 of those, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then put the other leg forward, do 10 the other side. We've got Zach coming back. You ready to go, Tiger? All right. So now we're going to do punch it on the silver, cross it, and then touch the cone with your other hand. So punch, cross, touch a cone. Punch, cross.
Cross first.
Yep, so it's here. Punch, cross, touch. Punch, cross, touch. So see how you float the ball in your hand after you cross, you're floating the left hand touch. Punch, cross, floating the right hand touch. Good. Touch it gently. Good. Now you can look where you're going with your ball and look at the cone. Effective crossover. So we've got 10 of these. Here we go. We'll start when you're ready. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and forget the cone thing, your best punch and cross. Go. Go. So far, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Outstanding. Okay, now we're going to do a punch dribble and our in and out dribble. Right, to be a bum, we're going to use a punch and over first. So punching over, so you want to use one way to start. The ball's going to get punched, and using the same hand manipulator, go back over the cone. We did this, I think, last week. All right. Well, could have been a week before. That's it. Yes. Just punching over, you've got 20 of these. 1, 2, 3. Get the 20s out. You've got to count. It's on you now. Really good. And then we're going to go to our in and out dribble, and this is our warm up in and out. Moving the ball on top, moving your hand on the top of the ball, and on the side, and getting good control. We're back. Here we go. Punch 120, and we shake hands. Over. Excellent. So make sure it's almost a carry. Now it's a carry, but using the top and the sides of the ball. Really turn that wrist. Keep your hips down and get really good control. There you go. Pound it over. Pound it over. Good. You can look at the cone so you don't hit it. Dip there for you. Don't do it on it. You got it. Good. And to make it harder, you want the ball to go just over the top of the cone. Just over. You want to go really wide. It's up to you. There you go. You're on 20? Great. Add. He's like, no, do we have to? Yes. You're going to go over 2 cones now. 10 with the right hand, and then switch 10 with the left. So we're adding a drink ball. Yeah. That's over 1, champ. So it's over 1, then it's over, no, my fault. Over 1, and then over the other one. Like, yeah, and then back. There's 1. So over and back's 1. That's 2. Here we go. That's 3. Got to be over. That's 4. You got to count this. So it's on you to count. You maintain your concentration. Got 10. Switch hands. Really good. Excellent. Change hands. So 10 with your other hand. Same thing. The lower you keep your hand knee level, The harder you bounce it, the quicker it comes back, the more hand you can have on the ball, the better control. Okay, keep going. Really want to use as much of a hand as possible. Get the ball in the palm, 4 fingers and the thumb. You want the ball hardly out of the hand, except when it hits the ground. That's how hard we're going to bounce it. Good. Yeah, that's real good. Excellent. So we've warmed up for the in-out dribble. So in-out, now we're going to turn like we just did, but then we're going to push in-out. As we in-out, we're going to jab with the same foot this time. So we started with the opposite foot, and we're doing a jab like this. This time, we're going to jab with the same foot. Side and back. There you go. In-out, same foot. So jab your right foot. That's it, and then replace. So you're going to follow the ball. No, just jab in and out, that's all we do. Yep. And then back. Reset, and then back, in and out. So remember, our in and out's the letter I dribble. We're in, we're out. So as you do this, we want to time the step on the in, then on the out, we're back to reset. Okay, what we'll do, we'll forget the feet, we'll just do in and out, and we'll add this in. So let's go change that. Keep your feet still. Let's just go in outs to start. So feet in. So in outs. It's not in out. That's it. 1. So 1 and reset. 2 and reset. That's a 3 and reset. So if you have your mat, the middle of the mat's where the ball's going to almost bounce, and that's when you turn it back the other way. So before it bounces, so we're not going to actually bounce it on the goal, we're going to go punch it here and then punch it again. But it's almost like it's going to bounce on the goal and then we flip it back. So really good manipulating balls to the inside of our body and then turn the outs better. All right. Okay, let's move on. Let's go to the other side. Let's go 10 on the left hand, everyone. That's it. Good. And then we'll add our feet. Right, so now let's do this. Just 10, right foot. So, as I said, as we turn the ball in, we're going to jab out.
Yeah.
As it comes back and bounce, reset. Reset position.
Yeah.
Here you go. So the ball hits the ground again, reset position. So pass me the ball. Practice without a ball. So it's not a jab and stay, it's jab and back. So if I was here doing it with my ball, I'd be jab, back, jab, and then back without falling out. Jab, back. Try that. It's got to be quicker. As soon as it lands, you've got to bring it back. So by the time the ball bounces again, your foot's back in the reset position. Right, want to give that a go? Okay, we're just going to do 10, then we'll move on. We'll be quick with this. Be quicker, jab back. Excuse me, jab straight back. So before the ball hits the ground, your foot's going back in the reset position. Quick jab back, almost. There's one. So this might be a skill you need to practice more of. We're really trying to get quick feet and quick timing. That's fine, we're good with that. Keep going with this. Yeah, good. Try the other side. As soon as your left toe hits the ground, what are you going to do? Exactly. It's got to be real quick. It's almost like you're touching hot coal or something with your left toe. Burn your foot. That's better. Now we're increasing the speed. Good. So just practice until you can do this. And again, if it's too hard, we don't need to do the side jab. But after the in-out, we're going to make another move and we're going to get to the ring and score. Okay, you're going to work on your left hand a little bit. Yeah, that's homework. All right. We're going to go in, out, and then throw it down and score. We're going to change hands. So left hand, in, out, throw it down and score. In, out, throw it down and score. Attack the rest. So we'll put these. These are your two defenders. So use the left cone going to your left, right cone going to your right. In, out, left hand, in, out, cross step and score. Good. Excellent. Do the left side again. So the right was going to go across left, in, out, right foot across. Well done. Excellent. Nice finish, great finish. All right, so that's one, we've got 10. Let's go right side, in, out, left foot across, in, out, left foot across. Beautiful. That's two. In, out. Three, to finish it. Really. Good feet, four, good handles. There you go, good turn. Excellent. There you go, gotcha.
What's that?
Two to go. My worst counter ever, but anyway. Let's give you two more, we'll move on. Yep, get one more. Great. All right, we've got 10 moves. We're going to go quick. It's punch. So punch, in, out, cross, score. Punch, in, out, cross, score. Good. There's one. Everyone, we've got 10. Let's go. There's one. We're going to put some combinations together now. There's one move for us. In, out, cross, score. So now I want you to change hands so that you go to your right and then you go to your left. So you alternate sides. That's one. There you go. Good. All right, so it's two left and one right. There's three. Back to left. In, out, cross. Good. So it's in, out, and then it's the crossover. In, out, cross. Good. Yeah, a little slippery. Make sure you separate the in, out, and the cross so you can pause a bit like Zach's doing to get control of the basketball. So the in, out didn't work. So now it's the crossover. They were going to fall for that in, out, so here's our counter. Move. What was the crossover? Yeah. Yeah, gotcha. So imagine in, out, doesn't work, there's a cross. There you go. Really want to change direction. We've got three to go. Good, two to go. Excellent. All right. You okay to move on back to the next one? Yeah. All right. Punch between the legs. Score. And score. Exactly. We're scoring back. Back score. So use the mat. Have the goal. That's it. Excellent. So we've got 10. So it's punch, split stance, bang, through the legs, drop those hips, get good control, and you can be looking at the ball and the mat until you pick it up and get past the defender right now. I don't mind. Right. Let's go with 10 of those from now. Here we go. Punch. So from here to there, drop the hips, and then away you go. Good, you drop those hips. Nice. There you go. Nice. There's one. Change sides. That's it. Good. You can slow down once you get past the cone. It's a little bit slippery here. Just make sure you're safe. Punch, cross, tap. That's it. Well done. Again, varying the finish. Using the dots to your feet, making sure you get the low. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Nice. Good. you're in. The light coming on. You want to turn that off? Is that sensor? Sensor. Oh, it's probably okay. Actually, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay there. Yeah. For a second, there was actually turn that one off. You turn the one off there because that one's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just you'll be turning on. Oh.
That was okay with. Well, that's okay, but it was a bit better when that one was off, I think. Yeah, that's probably okay.
That's better.
Oh, there you go. Right, here we go. Go. Here's your book. Go. Yep. Do one more. Right. Now it's punch. So we've got a total of 10. Punch it, crossover through the legs. So instead of punch and cross, through the legs, punch, cross through the legs. This is punch it through the legs, punch, cross through the legs. Punch it, crossover, now through. Punch, cross, through, score. 10's total, there's one. That's a crossover, then between the legs, then score. Good. There's 2, 10 of these. Cross through, good. Cross, keep control. Good. You don't have to go in, you don't have to go like inverted behind the back, just go in between. There you go. Make sure you don't hit the ball so it doesn't fly off to the side. Punch your cross. That's it. Good. Well done. And when you're on, we'll move on. One more? Okay. Good. Last combination. Punch it between the legs, step forward, behind and back, score. Punch. So punch it between, behind, and behind. Up. So we're here, we go through, and then step forward, we can go behind the back, and then pick it up, and we're getting the score. All right. Take your time, go slowly, separate the moves, no rush on this. You always want to carry the ball so you can hang it. Between the legs behind the back, between the legs behind the back, we've got 10. And pretty much that'll do us for today. So we'll start from now, we're on 1 everyone. Punch that thing, split step, boom. Step behind the back. Good, excellent. Nice to finish it. Cut. Between, take on between, behind. Good. Make sure behind the back dribble, the hand to catch the ball is open, is ready to catch. Good. Excellent. Behind. Press up. Good. In case you're wondering, Zach has not lost any of his shooting form. They're pretty much all going in. All right. Last little segment for us after it hits a 10 is going to be freestyle. Oh, nice. Nice and hot, well done. Good feet. And you got to go. So yeah, okay. Excellent. Nice. That's your 10th. Okay. Right. Last one for us to finish off. Any 2 moves you like. And then score. Any 2. Now, when you get to the cone, you've got to do a retreat dribble. And then any 2 moves at the cone, pause, retreat, then score. 2 moves, pause, retreat, then score. Any 10. The last one to finish off for the day. Go with that, let's go. Retreat, and then score. And then score. Yep, so 2 moves. Retreat, and then score. So you might go, for example, in, out, cross, attack here, punch, retreat, maybe through the legs, and score. Anything you can vary in these 2 things you go very hot. 2 retreating. So there's a help defender that comes to stop you at the bottom of the train. There's one. 9 to go. So have some fun with this. Vary it as much as you want. 2 strong moves. Retreat. Then attack the room and get a finish. Separate the moves. Drag it back. Leave it. Good. Good handles. Excellent. I think we've got 6 of those there. Okay. Good. Excellent. Of course, if you don't have a ring, again, just pull up past the cone, go back to the start. How many have you got, Zach? 3 more. Okay, so the next 2 we're going to do, we're going to retreat, attack the cone, stop, and then come back. So imagine we don't have a basket to use, like we did earlier. We just finish off the last 3 without the score.
So retreat straight away?
Yeah, so 2 moves, attack the help defender, retreat, go past the help defender, then come back again, make a move at the help defender, then come back and stop. 2 strong moves, retreat, make a move, come back, make another move for the next help. All right, so we've got 2 to go. Come back. All right. So again, if you don't have a basket, it's not a problem. Some good moves, plus a counter against the help defender. Last one to finish off. Excellent. Very well done. Coming closer. Well done, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed today's session. We'll have another session for you next Tuesday. Big thanks to Zach. Hopefully you can get some sort of time. I know school's back again, but see if you can practice. Keep working on your handles. Until next time. See you then. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Michael.
Thanks, Michael. That is.
Thanks, Michael.